Folks, welcome to another edition of my video blog. Today's edition concerns the charge of possession of child pornography. These are very, very, very serious charges and can be completely unsettling, disruptive, and detrimental to your personal and professional welfare. Oftentimes, these charges will include jail time as well as some type of registration, either a 10-year or a lifetime registration through SORNA. Now, how does a child pornography case come about? Oftentimes, the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children will get a hit, determine that you have access to website specifically that contains child pornography, and will pass that information along to law enforcement. Law enforcement will say they will contact someone like Time Warner, your internet service provider, to get they have an IP address that they pinged back, and they get a subpoena and are able to find out where that IP address is located. Next thing you know, you've got somebody knocking at your door. They may or may not have a search warrant, and they will always want to speak with you about your illegal accessing of child pornography, and will certainly want to either view or seize your computers. Now, the first thing is, never, ever, ever speak with law enforcement about your case. There is a process that they use to bring you in, to make you feel comfortable, to minimize the offense, to make you think that everything is going to be okay. When they've got you admitting to what you've done, to the conduct, they then pull the rug out from under you and charge you with the crime. So do not speak with law enforcement. Oftentimes, it may be their best evidence are your statements that they can use against you. Now, they may ask to seize your computers. They may say, we'd like to take your computers. Do you have any issue? Can you sign a consent for us to either view or search your computers? The answer must be no. Unless they have a valid search warrant, you should tell them no, cease contact with law enforcement, and immediately contact your criminal defense attorney. Now, what happens? What is possession of child pornography? Possession under the federal law can be just viewing images or videos containing child pornography. In Maine, until very recently, in 2011, possession was actual possession either of physical pictures or actual files on your computer that contained images of child pornography. Very recently, this year, in 2011, the Maine legislature changed the law to mirror that of the federal law. Therefore, if you view child pornography on a website, even if you don't download those images to your laptop computer, you can and will be charged with viewing or possession of child pornography. These are very serious charges. Oftentimes we see them on the federal side, though just as often we might see them on the state side. So why are these charges so serious, and what is the big deal, people may ask, about viewing child pornography? Well, aside from the myriad of moral issues concerning these cases, and as an attorney, I don't condone in any way the viewing or possession of child pornography, there is a victimization aspect here, where every time that child is viewed, that child is re-victimized time and time again. So law enforcement takes a real serious approach to this, as does the District Attorney's Office and the U.S. Attorney's Office on the federal side. Do not minimize these charges. They are very serious. A conviction can and will lead to some type of registration on the sexual offender registration. That is a database that is maintained by Maine and is a national database. So wherever you go, if you've been convicted of possession of child pornography, you will be forced to register, and anyone in the community can look you up and see what the charge was that you were convicted of. Good luck finding a job. Good luck getting an education. Good luck setting up a family. Good luck leading a normal life if that's the outcome in your case. So again, if you've been charged with possession of child pornography, please call my office and speak with me immediately. Thank you.